आकाश चाहे थमने को तरी से, सूरज चांद मिलने को तरी से, ओ पवन बंदे तू क्यों तरसे, बंदे तू क्यों तरसे, दिव्य अमृत घर घर बरसे हैं, दिव्य अमृत घर घर बरसे हैं.
In today's challenging world, where everyone is running a mad race of materialism, music and religion are the only respite for the soul. Presenting Channel Divya, the first and only spiritual music channel that provides a blend between religion and divine music.
साईं वे साडी फरियाद तेरे ताईं, साईं वे बाहों फड़ बेड़ा बन्ने लाई, साईं वे मेरे गुनाहां नूं लुकाई, साईं वे हक विच फैसले सुनाई, साईं वे डिग्गिए तां फड़ के उठाई.
It offers expressive music that touches everyone deep inside and induces positive religious feelings.
हरि बोल 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 हरि बोल.
We have come up with an innovative concept of presenting religious content with soulful music and rich graphics which appeals to all generations. Channel Divya provides enlightenment with entertainment, rhythm with rituals, values with vision. Our target segment. Divya targets everyone who's above 3 years of age, as music relieves stress and soothes everyone, a student, a homemaker, a corporate executive, a retired person, etc.
रांझण मेरा रब नी माए, रांझण मेरा रब, रांझण मेरा रब नी माए, रांझण मेरा रब.
Content time distribution, music, non-music. To cater to different age groups and different sections, along with spiritual music, we have added the flavor of educational and entertaining non-music content. Non-music content distribution. Educational and entertaining content which will take viewers to a different ride and will also allure them. Music content distribution. We've gathered the different shades and different colors from our society and culture, and every note of spiritual music will take you to a divine world.
मौला मौला मेरे मौला, मौला मेरे मौला, मौला मेरे मौला, मौला मौला मेरे मौला, मौला मेरे मौला, मौला मेरे मौला. मैनू कर मैनू मैथों मौला परे न कर मुद्दतां दे जख्म खरे न कर मैनू मैथों मौला परे न कर मौला मौला मेरे मौला मौला मेरे
Wider choice. The channel Look and Feel is that of a music channel, which will make the viewers enjoy the spiritual music being presented. Divya provides a minimum of 10 hours of fresh content daily.
अब लगन लगी की करिए 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 ना जी सकिए ना मरिए
Innovative and novel content.
भीगना मत भूलिएगा।
Interactive programs. Our focus is on interactive programming, which will give us a committed audience. Some of our interactive programs are 16 Somvar, Ghar Ek Mandir, Divya Roop. Distribution. In the year of its launch, we are covering all the major states with special focus on northern India. Divya's aim is to entertain every child, guide every teenager, broaden the intellect of every housewife, relieve the stress in every working person's life, and connect every old age person with their religion more strongly. Yes, every millisecond of our programming is directed for people of all age groups.
This is Divya, the final frontier, the final aim. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whatever your circumstances, whatever your group, whatever your thoughts, this is where humanity becomes divine. Divya.